And I've been ducked off for a minute because, man, it's just been, bruh, it's been very crucial. But I just want y'all to understand. People keep telling me crazy shit. The most ancient understanding of God was the battle between light and darkness, bro. The sun is able to say to itself, the sun is able to say, I am the truth and the light, and no man can come above it between me. The sun is able to say that. If you go to the old Hebrew, bro, you will see when the Bible talk about, let me stop. Let me add this in. When I talk about Jesus in the New Testament, from as far as I can see, I just been, and this is my only understanding for 3 years. It's my only understanding. Jesus is a metaphor, bro. You got to understand that. Jesus is a metaphor. It's a symbolic metaphor. It's symbolizing something when you're talking about Jesus. The ancient name in Greek for Horus was Iosis. I-E-S-U-S. You can interchange I's and J's. That's Hebrew. So Iosis was Jeosis. Oh, Jesus. So it's the same thing, bro. Jesus, according to the reference work, for thousands of years, is the Son. This is why we worship Christ, bro. We worship Jesus on Sunday. Like, come on, man. The Prince of Darkness was set. The Egyptian god set. So God's Son walked across the sky in 12 steps, and he left the world. And when he left the world the world to the Prince of Darkness. And he said he will come again, right? He do. Every morning. 6 o'clock, 6:15, he popping up out there. And we told when he left, bro. Those who saw when he left, those were told, just when you see he left on a cloud, he gonna come back on a cloud. That is true, huh? Every night, check it out, bro. And there's a cloud out there. Come on. It's gonna be a cloud in the sky when they come back and a cloud when they leave. Check it out, bro. So when you understand these stories, it's all metaphors. The entire New Testament is a metaphor. It's trying desperately to tell you something, bro. You just not understanding it. It is a metaphor. The whole New Testament is a metaphor. Let me give you an example of a metaphor. A metaphor is like Aesop fables, like children books. It's basically children novels. You read these stories to kids. It's trying to teach a kid principles and concepts and ideas that you can't teach a kid by just telling them right from wrong. You got to teach them in a story method. You feel me? All right, we got to understand this, bro. There's only two people in the world. People who get it and people who don't get it. And most people don't get it, bro. Facts. That's all I want to tell y'all, man. Like, remember the story between the tortoise and the hare? The tortoise and the rabbit raced the turtles. The rabbit so fast it could take off and get to the finish line in a few seconds. But the rabbit was arrogant and it was proud of how fast he was. The turtle, but like he tried to sit on the turtle. You heard me? The turtle's just doing what he's doing, moving along, moving slow. Until it catch up with the rabbit. But it crosses the goal quietly. And the rabbit see that, damn, how I lost. Because the rabbit is arrogant. The rabbit just smart by the mouth, thinking everything Gucci. So the tortoise won. This is a story you tell kids. It's a metaphor, metaphorically speaking. Just because you look good, just because you wealthy, just because you're intelligent, you come from a good family, that don't mean you're going to win the race. You're not always going to win the race. Usually the regular guy, the geeky guy, the hokey-dokey guy going to win the race. The one who bought a home, save over his family, got a beautiful family, he going to win the race. While the person out chasing their life, the Michael Jacksons, the young dudes and all this, they ain't going to get it, bro. Just because they think they're just fast and clever, you ain't going to get it. It don't work like that. That teaches a child a concept. So that's what they do. That's what the New Testament is. The New Testament tries to teach you something. But the people that's presenting it to you, bro, that's presenting it to us, now they are arguing and switching it up, switching the stories up. You feel me? They play games with your mind. Switch the role of the rabbit, switch the role of the turtle. So this is who we playing against. We got to analyze the people who wrote these stories and changing the concepts of these stories. And that's why they're making people miss the point, because they're not paying attention. The point is, the Bible is the greatest story ever told, bro. It's just a story. It's the greatest story ever told. Wake up, bro. It's just a story. The Bible is just a story. It's a beautiful story, so profound in the implications. When you understand, and overstand the metaphors that it's trying to tell you, bro, it unlock all type of secrets inside of you, bro. Come on, man. It has the teaching, it have Jesus saying that many people will open their eyes but not see, and many people will open up their ears but not hear, and with their heart would not get the sense of it. Not talking about no actual man who lived. Not talking about no actual God who lived. There was no Abraham, Isaac, Jacob. It was none of that. It wasn't no King Simon, King David. They never existed. It wasn't none of that. Come on, man. You can talk to rabbis. You can talk to anybody. I used to listen to a rabbi that posted a video from the 60s. You heard me? He was a president of all American rabbis. I listened to this dude for hours, bro. For hours. And he said one time when somebody asked him, tell me the truth, you're not talking to a fool. Tell me the truth. Was it a King Solomon? Somebody asked him, was it a King Solomon? Was it Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob? Was it? Was it? The Catholics got their religion, Buddhists got their thing, the Hebrews got their thing, the Hindus got their thing, the Jews got their thing. Come on, man, it's just their religion. It's just their story, bro. So this dude explained to this dude when he asked this question, and it was very interesting. So he said, so you saying these things are just stories? He told him, yeah, it's just stories, bro. These things is fictitious. It's just stories. And he explained to the dude that in the Hindu religion, you got Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, the triangle god. Triangle. Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. In Egypt, you got Osiris, Isis, Horus. In Christianity, you got the Father, Son, and Holy Ghost. In Judaism, Abraham, Isaac, Jacob. In Judaism, the triune God. Abraham wasn't called Abraham in the Bible. He was called Abram. More people don't know that. Abram was for the land of Chaldean. Did you know that? Abraham was from the land of Chaldean. You know what Chaldean was? Chaldean is what we call Iraq modern day right now. So the great and all holy men in the world Judaism is Abraham, who really wasn't Abraham at all. He was an Iraqi. Come on, man. Y'all got to wake up, bro. That's the history, bro. And when you find out Abram, A-B-R-A-M, as the rabbi will tell you, come on, man. Abraham's first name was actually Abram. Because in the ancient Hebrew, Ab is father. These names mean stuff. And Ram, Ram, mean Aries. The constellation of the Ram, the Aries constellation. You got to understand astrotheology, astrophysics. Why when Moses come down from the mountain with the 10 Commandments and he see the children of Israel worshiping the golden calf. Come on, man. When he threw the law, you don't remember this? When he broke the tablets, bro. He was the first lawbreaker. Moses was the first lawbreaker. He broke the laws. Come on. And consequently, he saw the children worshiping the golden calf. Like, why? Go back and look at the story. You will begin to see, bro. Oh, God, man, this is, bro. You got to understand, the golden calf was actually the sun in the age of Taurus. Taurus the bull. Come on, man. The golden calf was Taurus. But go look in England. They got a university named Oxford. Come on, for the golden calf. Man, we got to wake up, bro. Peace, love, I shade, man. I want to tell y'all, I love y'all, man. I shade, man. One. Jesus represent a metaphor. Again, the word Jesus is a metaphor. It's symbolic. It's a symbolic term for spiritual and intellectual enlightenment. Shit, man. One more time. This is very important, bro. Jesus is not a man. It is a metaphor. It is a symbolic metaphor for a spiritual, intellectual enlightenment, as opposed to ignorance. So consequently, everything the Bible got Jesus saying and doing is what intellectual, spiritual enlightenment beings would do in any circumstance. Come on, man. Shit, man. King of all kings, man.